and welcome to the Knitty Kitties channel, and I'm Netty. Now, in a previous video, Victoria's Moon kindly sent me a kit which was diamond painting. Now, I've been informed that they also do paint by numbers, and they asked me if they sent me a kit, would I be able to review it on camera and do a few videos? So I said, absolutely, of course. So here we are. This is what I've been sent from Victoria's Moon. It looks a bit, that's just where I've cut my address out because I don't want to be showing that on the internet. But I'm going to unbox for you on camera, first reaction and impression of what exactly is inside one of their paint by numbers kit. I will provide down below in the description their website and where in particular you can find their paint by numbers kits. So let's have a look. I've lost my scissors, so I'm using this knife. Right. So get this plastic off first. Let's put the knife away. Oh, lovely. So, I usually find in paint by numbers kits, they're usually for children. The paints themselves can be really rubbish quality, so I'm hoping in this that we've got everything that we need and it's of a very good quality. So this is the box, DIY paint by numbers. You can see that the paints are numbered and it's got the canvas as such which you're going to be painting on. I presume that's some examples there of what we can achieve, and just a nice little welcoming message on there. So if I get this open, I'll just pop it on my lap and then I can bring out what is inside it. So first impressions, that's very nice quality. It is actual canvas. Now the one I chose I think is a landscape, so let's have a look. Yes, so that's the order number, and they kindly sent me quite a big one, a 70x50. So yeah, you can't really see what it is properly, but it's really nice and really soft and well printed, and the numbers are easy to see, so that's brilliant. Just need to flatten it out a bit. I'm going to be doing a video where it's like a time lapse so you can see it gradually building up. So that's the canvas, and let's see on the back it's really nice and high quality, so that's good. Nothing so far as seen that's, you know, outstanding or wow. Okay, so there's some of the paint. So it's all like greens and blue colours. There's some paintbrushes, and sometimes in paint by number kits they're not very good quality either, so I'll be checking them out. And I think that's it. Yeah, there we go. That's it. That's what you get. So it's all like bluey, greeny, aqua colours. And there we are. So we've got the canvas, which is nice quality, which I'm pleased with. We've got all of the paints are numbered, which is brilliant. There's nothing missing or anything like that. They are quite small. And we've got the brushes. So let's check these out. Let's see what they're like. So it's nice that the blue matches. So and another one. I presume this is to hang up your painting once you've done it. So it comes with that there, and to hang them on your wall. So put them somewhere safe so I don't lose them. And that one fell off, but two of them I've got covers on, which is good. It's a little bit bent, that doesn't matter. I can get that back in shape. They're very nice and very soft. Easy to hold. They're not like the rubbish ones you usually get. the nice bristles they are. So yeah, a small, a medium, a small just for very dainty areas like this, and the larger one for the larger areas. So overall, I'm very, very pleased with that. Yeah, there's nothing which really outstands to me or anything like that. But if you see this and you wanted to buy it, is there anything that you can see that's missing or that you'd want from the kit? Because we can go direct to Victoria's Moon and let them know, because I'm sure they'd be very pleased to know. If you've ever had any of their diamond painting kits and you've bought them, do comment below and let us know what you think of them, and anything good or bad is appreciated. Things can always be improved. So, there will be a video coming next. There is a schedule of videos because I've been off for Christmas, I've been moving, and so starting again in the new year now with a big gap, and it's good to be back. There'll be a few different videos coming up with different art supplies, but do look out for a time lapse of this. When that's finished, I will give you another video overall of what I think of it and the end result, so do look out for that. Again, I'll provide a link in the description box below so you can check out the website. There's literally thousands to choose from on there, so you'll be spoilt for choice. And all that's left to say is Happy New Year, and if you'd be kind enough to subscribe and stick around, that would be wonderful. Okay, thank you for now and see you again. Bye bye for now.